Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path. The reason for this video today is I wanted to make you aware of some great new projects I have available on my website, offthebeadedpath.beadstore.com. If you go on my main page of my website and you scroll down and you look under featured projects or products, you are going to find a brand new ebook called RAW, R-A-W, Right Angle Weave Encasements. This is actually the workshop book that I used in the fall of 2018 to teach all of these classes. I had such a phenomenal response to these projects that I taught these same classes in the spring of 2019. So now they are available to everyone to look at. The booklet itself is 47 pages. It's full color, step by step, on all of the projects that you see here. It all deals with right angle weave, or RAW as it's called. There is a project with crawl, cubic right angle weave, as well. So let me kind of go over some of the projects to give you an idea of what they are. So on page 2 is the project for the Trinity Bangles. So it's called the Trinity Bangles because there are 3 for the Trinity. But with these, they come made on adjustable bangles. The adjustable bangles work really well because, especially if you like to make things to sell, these are kind of a one-size-fits-most bracelet. So it's really, really nice to have that adjustability, and they stack really well on your wrist. So they are made a lot like a pair of earrings that I did last year. So you can see here that they stack really, really well, and they just make a nice bangle. So the Trinity Bangle is found on page 2. Page 10 is how to do crawl. So it is actually how, step by step, how to do cubic right angle weave. So if any of you have purchased my crawl tool, you will notice that the pattern actually comes in the kit. So the crawl pattern is step by step, and again, it starts on page 10. Page 15 starts this pendant right here. This pendant uses 3 different sizes of Luna cabs. It uses the square, the round, and the oval. So I teach in the booklet how to encase all 3 shapes and then how to attach those shapes to make your pendant. Now, as you can see here, I've made one with crawl, I've got one with chain, and I've got one here with just some micro suede cord, because honestly, with each one, you get a different look. So it's a really, really, really fun project. When I actually did this one in my spring retreat just a few weeks ago, they loved it, and almost every single person got done with their pendant actually at the retreat. So that was really, really nice. And again, this is on page 15. So on page 32, you're going to find the Universe pendant, and the Universe pendant is this pendant here. So basically, the Universe pendant is going to take what you learned doing the Trinity Bangles and what you learned doing this pendant here, and it's going to combine it together into a really, really pretty pendant. Now again, as you can see, I've done one with crawl here, I've got one with micro suede, and then one with just seed beads. And again, the different stringing materials really do change the look of the piece. So again, this is a Universe pendant on page 32. On page 39, you will see the moonbeam earrings. This is using the Luna cabs and the True to Fire Polish beads to make a beautiful, simple pair of earrings. And then finally, on page 41, you are going to see the Mermaid Delight earrings, and it's these earrings here. The Mermaid Delight earrings teaches you how to encase a some people call them a fish scale, some people call them mermaid scales, but they're small cabochons, and you actually have to change your sizes of beads that you use to encase these with. So that is on page 41. So with the booklet, all of the instructions for these projects do go with the booklet. Please know that I have no plans on making YouTube videos for these. These are going to be specific projects for the website. Most people at my retreat had no problems really with the projects. Some of them had problems seeing some of the beads that they chose. Otherwise, it was pretty straightforward and fun encasements. If you've done some of my pendants from last year, it really will help you with some of these encasements that are here. I will tell you the one thing that I've really done different with these projects versus others is with the Luna cabs, you want to be careful and protect the backs of those Luna cabs. So on all of the projects, I've actually put a backing, like a lacy stiff stuff or some sort of beading foundation to help protect the backs of these pendants, because you have to pull the encasements pretty tight to hold them in place. So if you're not careful and you mess up and you have to start it over or something, the seed beads can actually scratch the back of the Luna cab. So that's the one thing that I've done a little bit different on these projects that I've not necessarily done on others. So I hope that you will go to the website and check out the ebook. Again, it's called RAW, R-A-W, Encasements. You can find it on my website, offthebeadedpathbeadstore.com, under the featured products on the main page. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.